Okay, just a quick reminder about how we go about inserting a scatter plot and then a trend line or line of best fit if you are in Excel. So first things first, you do need to make sure that you've got your data entered into two separate columns. And so we want to make sure that we have our explanatory variable in the first column and our response variable in the second. When Excel grabs this information for you, it will assume that you are entering it in that way. And so we start up at the top with insert, and then we are looking for the little picture that looks like a scatter plot. When we click on that, we get this menu right here, and we want to choose just that standard scatter plot. We definitely don't want to connect the dots. That's not what we're going for. We are not using a bubble plot because we are not dealing with any sort of frequencies. Once you've got that scatter plot in, you can add to your scatter plot using this right here, Add Chart Designs. So we are going to add necessary information to the scatter plot. This is going to be the place that you find the way to enter titles on your axes, titles for the chart. Definitely want to make sure that you have those in. What's super important here, though, after we have that scatter plot graphed, is that Excel does that mathematical work for us, and we are going to choose trend line. Excel will not only add in the trend line for us, it will go ahead and give us the equation for that line if we select correctly. Once we click on trend line, we are not going to, we'll get this menu right here. We're not going to cop out and choose one of the options they give us. That'll add in the line or the curve, but it doesn't necessarily give us the equation. We definitely want to choose this, more trend line options. When we click on that, we get this menu. If it doesn't look like this, you want to head up to the top and make sure we have that format option selected. We are going to choose linear. That is all we are worried about this time. We are not going to map any sort of curves. We're looking for linear relationships. So this is important right here. The second thing we want to make sure that's checked is this box down here, display equation on chart. Once you click that, Excel will give you the equation for your trend line, and you can dump that into a cell or into your homework assignment or into project 1 so that you can use that equation to make predictions. And that's it.